Hello there, so in this episode we're going to be talking about blend spaces. So this is the character, it's running forward, it's running to the left, the animation is different and they're all blending together. So if you run backwards, there's another animation. These are all animations that are being processed based on the direction of the character. In the last episode we did implement and added all the animations from Mixamo to the MetaHumans character and made them all based on the third person character. So if you don't know what I'm doing right now, you can just go ahead and click the link that's popping in the screen. So let's get started. These are all the animations that I have retargeted from the Mixamo to the mannequin, to the base mannequin in Unreal Engine 4, which we are getting all the animations from mannequin to the MetaHumans. But anyway, I've retargeted everything, so right now what we have to do is right click, animation, blend space, and this is the default mannequin, not the UE4 mannequin, because you know there are two, not this one, this is what we need. Okay, BS underline test, not test, test. Okay. So, and these are all the animations that we have right now. So this is the blend space that we've created. You have two axes, horizontal axis and vertical axis. The name of the horizontal axis will be direction, and the maximum axis value, minimum axis value is minus 180 and the maximum amount is 180. You can go ahead and adjust the smoothing time. I guess something like 0.05 would be nice, but it depends on you. For me right now, for the sake of this tutorial, maybe 0.05 is nice. The vertical axis name is speed, and the maximum axis value is what we have in the third person character or the character blueprint that you are using, and it contains the character movement. So if you go there, you have the max walk speed, which is equal to 500. This is our value, 500. And if you want to make sure that your character can walk for a value of, for example, the max walk speed is running speed. So if the walking speed, the base walking speed is 200, so you want to have your character's animation. So this is 500 and probably 200, something like this. So you want to have your walking animation around here. We don't have that at the moment, so that's something to note for yourself in the future. The smoothing time would be this, exactly what we did in the horizontal axis. So the main animation is this one. Oh, not this one. Sorry, not BS test. Okay. So this is the one, direction is 0, speed is 0, and another one here, direction is 0, speed is 0, direction is 90. This one, direction is 180, speed is 0, direction is minus 90 and speed is 0, 100, minus 180 and speed is 0. So minus 180 is the direction value and speed is this one, which in our case we want them all to be in the speed of 0 but with different directions. So for running forward, we can go ahead and have it with direction of 0, speed of 500. So if you hold control, you can preview everything. So this is what we have right now. So if we want to go right, we can type in right strafe. This is the one, direction is 90 and speed is 500. For left, we can come here, minus 90 and 500. Let's see, so it goes to the left, goes to the right. Okay, so this is the direction in here is 180, means backwards, minus 180 means backwards. So let's go ahead and add our running backwards to the equation. Backwards, running backwards, and then walk, we need to have some walking animation. Walk forward is good, I guess. Okay, so we don't have a, we can probably use right. If you have right strafe walking, you can use your right strafe walking in here, but since I don't have that, I'm just gonna go ahead and use it here, and the left one here. So it's like, I mean, it doesn't really make sense, but at least we have some animation after all. And this is backwards. Okay, now we have everything. So let's go ahead and in our character BP, in our mesh, we have the ABP underline many underline C. So if you open it up, there are some things that you need to add to the event graph. So if you don't have it, just double click on it and it opens everything up. So you have everything just ready to go except this one. You need to go ahead, you already have the ground speed set for you. So this is the speed that we have here, the vertical axis, and we need something for the horizontal axis, which is our direction. So let's go ahead and create a new variable with this one, call it direction. I've already called it direction, but you can go ahead and call it something else. It should be a float variable. So I'm just going to delete that because I created before this video. And then you can just come in here from the character. It's already casting to the character and it's being set to a variable. So you can just go ahead and get the actor rotation, this one. And as you can see, you can get the velocity as well, this one here, and from these two you can calculate the direction, not this one of course. Calculate direction from the velocity and base rotation, and this should go into this one. So it's like you set the direction, this is the direction you are getting, and you come in here just after the ground speed. So after the sequence, after the ground speed, you can just hook this one up and compile. So after that we have to go to the anim graph, into the main states, into the locomotion, and instead of it, this is the default value. We don't want that. We want the BS test that we have created. This is what we've created, and just hook this one into this. Direction is this one, ground speed. If you just type in ground speed is this one, and let's see what we have. It's not bad, but you could definitely go ahead and make it better by just playing around with the value, with the with everything, with the values, with the animations, with pretty much everything, and try to see if it's got a lot of problems, or if you could solve as many as problems as you could actually. And this is pretty much it. Let me just go ahead and delete whatever is just extra for this one and compile, save. And the locomotion, this is the main one. Yeah. Okay, so this is it. I hope it helped you, and if it did, please hit that like button. And if you have any comments on this video, if you have any questions, please make sure that you say them in the comment section. Have a great day. Bye.